Casablanca's glow fades in the mist.
Good morning.
Good morning.
On our way to Granada for a special celebration. So you better watch the channel tomorrow to see what the celebration is. Typical Spanish village in the middle of nowhere. Love it, love it.
À 9h30, c'est pas mal. Avec le plein, les eaux grises vidées. Voilà une belle route.
Yeah, who'd have thought? It's blowing a bit of a windy day today.
Un peu de vent, oui, mais la route est magnifique.
As always, Carolina, next stop.
On a trouvé moins cher à Albacete.
This morning, 1:35 with a pump attendant.
1,35.
Well, after driving for 2 hours through the olive fields, we've decided to come and buy some of the best olive oil in the world. We've stopped in a town called Jaén. It's the high quality olive oil producers. So we're going to go in there and have a look and buy probably 5 litres of super oil.
Tony, my friend, ever seen the dawn turn the desert into fire? Let's stay till it's gone. The stove hums soft, the tea's poured.
Well, we just spent 20 minutes tasting olive oil. Now, I'm used to tasting wine in the cooperatives in France, and now in Spain we're drinking olive oil out of glasses. And we've chosen the one we prefer, not too strong, and it's very cheap here, even though it's high quality. All for the bargain price for €26, so that's 4.5 litres for €26. Well, here we are. Eventually we found ourselves the parking in Granada, about 3 kilometres from the very city centre, the old town, and €18 a night without electricity. Electric was another €5, I think, but we're self-sufficient. There's grey water dumping, black water dumping, fresh water pick up, Wi-Fi, showers, toilets, washroom, clothes washing. It's all included in the price, so it's good value for money, guys. Find it on Park for Night or Trip Stop. Well, we've left the camping car and we're taking a little stroll, about 3 kilometres, you can hear the busy traffic, 3 kilometres into Granada city centre, about an hour's walk, so that will do us good after 4 days sitting in the camping car driving, bit of exercise for us.
Casablanca's glow fades in the mirror. Our home on wheels hung, no need to fear her. Atlas curves of the road like a friend.
After a good hour's walk, risking the highway, we've eventually found the town centre. Going to go in the cathedral, but before, look at this.
Holding and smile, wave us on through the land. The GPS blinks, but the stars shine clear. Southbound, my friend, adventure is here. Oh, we're rolling where the tar meets the road. Windows down wide, this whole wild land. From the blue city gates to the dunes, standing still, Morocco's calling. We answer it all. Tadra's walls rise like a canyon's embrace. Our shadows stretch long in this timeless place. El Cheby's waves golden and grand. We park by the tide, our camping.
I just headbutted that one.
Tony, my friend, ever seen the dawn turn the desert into fire? Let's stay till it's gone. The stove hums soft, the tea's poured just right. Night wraps us up in its velvet light.
Alors, nous avons, no, I'm doing it in English. No, start again. We've done a tour of Granada. We've been to the cathedral, which was closed. Beautiful building, architecturally. We found the old car of the old Cartier. We found the old part of town. It's very nice, very tempting, lovely smells, food everywhere. And the Spanish. What did you think about it, Catherine?
Très joli, il fallait le voir. Très content d'être là. On a mérité cette visite. En plus, demain, on va visiter un spectacle de flamenco. Voilà. À 19h. J'espère que ça sera bien.
Well, after an hour's walk, we're going to get a taxi now and go home. Eat something to eat.